Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw in the title, I am here to bring you a big giveaway. I've been doing all my giveaways in other videos and different content and on Instagram, but I did want to take just a moment to just thank you guys for being here with me. Hitting 10,000 for me was a big deal, and I will continue to say that because I'm sure to some it is a big deal, and then there are others who probably think that 10,000, oh, that's nothing. But to me, it's a big deal because when I started, I really didn't know if this was even a possibility for me to do this, to make it work, to be good at it. And I still have a lot of growth and a lot of improvement to come, but I just want to say thank you guys so much. You guys being here with me, commenting, being subscribed, watching my videos, and just interacting with me is very meaningful to me. So I just want to make sure you guys know that I am grateful for you, and a giveaway is just a small way of saying thank you. If I could give you all a gift, I would, but this is how I can say thank you and give you guys all an opportunity to win something. So quickly, I'm going to show you everything that you can win in this video, and then I will tell you how to enter. So here is the overview of everything that you guys can win today. There's a lot of small items, so I'm just going to point out a few of the really big ones that are kind of better in my opinion. The Pure Be Yourself palette is really gorgeous, neutral tones. Also the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons, which I actually own and I love. Haven't used it in a while. It's one of those that like I need to bring back out and just remind myself. You get 2 full-size mascaras, the Monster Big from Lancome, the It Superhero Mascara. You get one of these Juno & Co. microfiber sponges, which I'm about to try out in a Face Full of First Impressions very soon. You get a full size of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, this newer Maybelline Tattoo Studio, which is a really cool brow pencil. It's got those little like, it's got like a little blades in it kind of that create hair strokes. It's really exciting. You get a melted matte and a regular melted from Too Faced as well. You get a lot of Too Faced goodies. This is just like a ton of small things. This bag also has some small things in it. These are some new J Beauty masks that I've really been loving lately. I've tried one of each kind, and I just had to share some with you guys because they're amazing. The Wet n Wild Gloss Kit, a Real Technique sponge, which I'm loving. So yeah, there's a lot of good things in here. I hope you guys like the assortment that I put together for you. Just wanted to give you a little bit of everything, and as always, stick with me. My giveaways will only get bigger and better, just so thank you guys more and more as I have the opportunity to do so. And I just want to show my appreciation. Thank you guys so much, of course, again. And let's jump back to how you guys can win. So once again, I am going to use Gleam for this giveaway, which makes it really easy for me. It picks a winner randomly and it gives you guys several opportunities to enter. Some people like this way and some people don't, but it's just where it works for me. That way I know that it's fair and it's picked at random. So all you'll have to do is follow the link below. You will have to be subscribed. It's open internationally, and I am going to let it run for a few weeks. I will put the exact date in the description box based off of when this video actually goes up. So just check the down bar and it will tell you everything about it. I will ask you guys to also comment below what your New Year's resolution is. I have a few myself, so I'm interested to see what you guys are resolving to do this year in 2019, which is literally like 3 days away at this point. I don't even know how that happened, but it did. So we're here together going into the new year, and I just want to say thank you. I'm really excited for what this year will hold. I have a lot of fun things in store, so make sure to let me know below what your New Year's resolution is. I have, like I said, several. And thank you guys once again for being here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.